Marketing trends seem to change every day. One day it's about influencer partnerships, and the next everyone's buzzing about AI driven personalization or immersive experiences. But here's the thing, understanding these trends doesn't just keep you relevant, it positions you to lead the conversation. So, in this lesson, we'll explore emerging marketing trends shaping today's landscape, how to harness these trends to elevate your strategy, and actionable insights to connect with your audience in innovative ways. AI driven marketing. Imagine a world where your campaigns anticipate customer needs before they know them. That's the power of AI driven marketing. For example, Gatorade used generative AI like Adobe Firefly tools to create customizable squeeze bottles that reflect customer preferences. This level of personalization builds stronger emotional connections and drives engagement. To leverage AI in your strategy, start with data. Use AI tools to analyze behavior, predict trends, and generate tailored recommendations. Create personalized content at scale: emails, product suggestions, dynamic web experiences. Aim for one-to-one marketing, even on a massive scale. The evolution of influencer marketing. Influencer marketing isn't new, but it is certainly evolving. It's no longer just about follower counts, it's about authenticity and alignment with brand values. Consider micro influencers. They have niche audiences and often boast higher engagement rates than mega influencers. Relatable and trustworthy, they are ideal for brands aiming for genuine connections. To maximize influencer partnerships, focus on creators who align with your target demographic and brand values. Ensure authenticity. They should genuinely use and love your product. The rise of social responsibility. 70% of consumers prefer brands that align with their values. From sustainability to social causes, brands taking a stand resonate more deeply with audiences. How to integrate social responsibility. Incorporate sustainable practices into your operations. Donate a portion of profits to causes that matter to your audience. Be transparent and show authenticity in your efforts. AR or VR, transforming interaction. Augmented reality, or AR, and virtual reality, or VR, are transforming how customers engage with brands. AR and VR let customers virtually try on clothes, explore stores from home, or experience products in immersive environments. Examples: a home decor company could use AR to let customers see how furniture fits in their space before buying. Using VR to create immersive brand experiences that engage customers like never before. Shoppable content. Shoppable content removes friction from the customer journey. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok make it easy to shop directly from posts or videos. How to implement. Create visually engaging posts and videos showcasing your products. Use clear, easy to follow CTAs to guide purchases. Multisensory marketing. In a digital-first world, engaging multiple senses creates deeper emotional connections. Adobe's Creative Trends Forecast highlights blending visuals, sound, and even touch for immersive brand experiences. Examples include the sound of a coffee machine in your ad. Use tactile, interactive digital experiences that mimic texture. Elevate product packaging to create a memorable sensory response. Your next step. Start small. Identify one or two trends that align with your brand. Experiment, whether it's with AI, collaborating with influencers, or creating shoppable content. By embracing these trends, you're setting the stage for your brand's future success. Innovate, experiment, and connect with your audience in ways that matter. The future of marketing is yours to shape.